Welcome back, everybody, to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and hope everybody is doing good. This is Margie, your hostess for the mostest. Alrighty, so this is my second batch for January 2023, but this is my first one that I will be filming. And you know, just to tell you the truth, I really didn't want to be setting up all of the tripods and the lighting, which still isn't great, as you can tell. And I don't think I have any more raw footage for the video, so I thought, you know what, I need to get going. Alrighty, so today I'm going to be making a 12-pound batch of olive branch, and this is from Nurture Soap. And this is the color of it here. Just it kind of turns a little bit kind of on the olive side when it's done curing, which is just fine, because my plan for the day, or today, is using this Cabin Fever from Nurture Soap. So I'm going to be using that on the bottom, and here is just some titanium dioxide, otherwise known as TD, and hopefully that will go on top. And then I have my coconut cream, and excuse me, so this here, I'm sure a lot of you have seen these. Where are we going? There we go. I've seen these or have used these. I purchased these maybe a month or two ago from Amazon Prime, and I let me show you the other one. So I made another men's soap using the bottom one there, and it turned out pretty good, but I found that you need to have more or less solid, you know, kind of two solid colors, or else it just doesn't show up that well. So I'm gonna hopefully do something with that. So, all right, so other than that, gang, let's get making some soap. Seven cups? Oh, let's just do it. Okay. 8 cups. So that'll be for the top. Okay. I hope everybody is having a good New Year so far. Now, let's see if I can show that. Do you see there's like some little gold flicks in there? Can you see that? It's so pretty. Okay. I didn't burp the baby. messy, messy, messy. All right, gang. It looks like, oh, green wave. All right, so I think I'll just let it sit there and probably cut it in a couple of days. Okay, see you then. Bye. Welcome back, everybody, to the cut of the olive branch. And you know, I just realized that I have the dishwasher going, and the tripod is right in front of the dishwasher. So here is the 12 pounds. Oh my gosh, this thing is so heavy. I might put it in here. And so anyway, I'll probably be donating most of this to the food bank and senior center in our area, just because there is such a great need for it. And a couple of weeks ago, my husband and I, we brought up a whole bunch of soap, and so I was asking the gal, come on, let me move this off here. You know, how many people or senior citizens, because this food bank, it is only for seniors, which is kind of nice, and it just happens to be right in the same parking lot as the senior center, so that's kind of nice. Let me put that aside here. But so last time we were there, I asked the lady in charge about how many seniors come through a month, and she says well over 1,000. I mean, isn't that sad? And there was a lot of volunteers up there, and I just thought that was so wonderful. So, you know, if I can drop off a couple hundred bars or whatever, oh, come on, at a time, you know, that's just wonderful. Oh, look at that. And I'm wondering, oh, there we are. I'm wondering if that is from when I was taking that little tool and scooping probably that down too low. So anyway, so yeah, you know, people don't have to do, you know, I don't know, big things to help. You know, I'm just a firm believer in just, you know, doing what you can do. Do what God has given you the talent for, whatever it may be. And there we go. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. Yeah, I think it probably would look better maybe without all that green on top there, but oh well, you know what, that was the first time I made that or used that kind of a design. I like that. It looks like a fortress or something. Put it up like that. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I will definitely have to do that again. I think I'll make this the 3/4. Oh, I like that little bit of swirl on top. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I think just a 3/4 of an inch is just a nice cut for the seniors. It's not too big. This will be for my customers. Oh, there we are. Well, that's kind of interesting little swirl on top. But you know what? I think next time I'm just going to have just the 2 colors. I think that would look nice. And I know with the olive branch it kind of discolors a little bit, so I'm hoping that it'll be all right. It's gonna have a cute little twirl there. Swirl, twirl, whatever. That is that. Okay, guys, Thank you so much for joining me and have a good day. Bye-bye.